Hi, yeah. In this video, I want to show you how to use StatTrek's online normal distribution calculator. Okay, this is the calculator online here. I will post the URL in the comments area. So you can see it has a z-score and you have raw score. So the z-score is assumed you already standardized your variable into the standard normal distribution, okay? And it will calculate, several probabilities. So here you can calculate the probability of z less than equal to lowercase z. So it's the from left to up to z, the area under the curve, okay? So for example, if you specify um, 1.5 as the z-score, you calculate it, it gave you the um, area under the curve up to 1.5, 0.93319, okay? And you can also specify the probability and find out the um, percentiles. For example, if you want the area to be 975 for the 95% confidence, okay? So you can calculate the z-score, and it's a 1.95996, okay? And this is also, if you use the raw score, then you'll see it will come up with um, the population mean. For example, you can say the mean is 5 and the standard deviation is 3, and you want to calculate up to 1.95996, the probability, and it gives you, it's actually quite small, okay, 0.04779, all right? And of course, there's several other ways you can calculate in between an interval, for example, here, and you want the minimum, for example, you want to be between 0 and 1.9556. You want to calculate that for the normal distribution with mean 5 and the standard deviation 3. It'll take a little bit of time. Actually give you a lot more outputs here, but what you want is here. This is the area between the 0 and 1.95996. All right, hope this is helpful.